Today we will talk about another masterpiece by Zaha Hadid, so watch to the end, and let's go. Welcome to the Contemporary Arts Center. Cincinnati, Ohio, United States, a vibrant hub where art, culture, and architecture intertwine.
This architectural marvel showcases a harmonious fusion of form and function, designed to inspire and engage visitors. The Contemporary Arts Center's design reflects the dynamic nature of modern art, with its innovative materials, fluid lines, and striking visual elements. The building's facade is a work of art in itself, featuring a blend of transparent glass, sleek metal panels, and intricate geometric patterns. Inside, the space is designed to create a sense of openness, with expansive galleries, soaring ceilings, and flexible layouts that allow for diverse exhibitions and installations. The floor plan of the Art Center is carefully curated to provide a seamless flow of visitors, leading them through a journey of artistic discovery. One of the notable features of the Contemporary Art Center is its use of natural light. Large windows, skylights, and strategically placed openings flood the space with abundant daylight, enhancing the viewing experience. We asked experts and their response was as follows.
The design of the Contemporary Arts Center takes into consideration the specific needs of different art forms, providing adaptable spaces that can accommodate a wide range of exhibitions, performances, and events.
The integration of technology in the building's infrastructure allows for interactive exhibits, multimedia presentations, and immersive experiences, adding a new dimension to the visitor's engagement with the artwork. The Contemporary Arts Center serves as a platform for emerging and established artists, fostering creativity, innovation, and cultural exchange. The architecture of the Arts Center often reflects its surroundings, harmonizing with the landscape or contrasting with it to create a distinct visual impact. The interplay of light, shadow, and form further enhances the visual experience, evoking different moods and emotions as the day progresses. Beyond its architectural significance, the Contemporary Arts Center plays a vital role in enriching the cultural fabric of the community, offering educational programs, workshops, and events that engage people of all ages and backgrounds.
The Contemporary Arts Center, a testament to the power of architecture to create spaces that inspire, ignite imagination, and celebrate the wonders of art. Hope you like it. Please follow and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.